Hey guys, this is Michelle from E.t.c Tracker, your premium tracking company, and today we just finished installation on this bad boy right here. This is an Lexus 300. One of the cool features of this tracker is that once we're done with the installation, you will know that there's a device in this vehicle. You can listen to live conversation in this vehicle. So whatever the occupants of this car are saying, the owner can listen to it remotely, wherever it is. This vehicle can also play back the route to know where the vehicle has been. It has another cool feature, which is called the geofencing. And with that feature, if you don't want your vehicle to pass a certain location, let me say you are in Lagos and you don't want it to pass Lagos, the moment you set it, once the vehicle passes that location, the vehicle will go off and it will alert the owner. The owner of this vehicle can remotely stop this vehicle using the app or the SMS, depending on the tracking plan it chooses. I subscribe to the airline tracking, which comes with an app, and this is the app interface. You can see it. So this app records the vehicle's location in real time. So as it's moving, the owner will be seeing it on the app. And also the good thing about this app is you can download it in more than one device. Give us a call. E.t.c Tracker will be at your doorstep. Thank you.